Welcome students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about a very important and very peculiar immune reaction of the body, which is called the allergy. The allergy can be caused by a lot of things. So we will discuss the concept of allergy, the different organisms or different causes of allergy, and also the allergic reactions that can be present and that can be manifested by our body. So what is allergy? Allergy is a hypersensitive reaction to normally harmless substance. Now, who is hypersensitively reacting? The body's immune system, the system that is responsible for keeping our body protected from the external germs, dust, etc. That immune system or that protective system is reacting to otherwise harmless substances in an excited and in an overexcited manner. So it is also called the improper activation of the immune system. That is, the immune system is not activated against some harmful substance, but it is reacting to some harmless substance in improper manner. The substances that can cause allergy are harmless, as we have discussed, like dust, pollen, seafood, etc. Now, these otherwise harmless substances might be very hypersensitive in some people and they can cause allergy in them. So, the substances that are causing allergy are called allergens. Now, allergic rhinitis is a type of allergic reaction which includes the running nose. Allergic dermatitis is another allergic reaction which includes the skin rashes. And food allergy and asthma includes the breathing trouble. As we have already discussed, the allergens are the substances that might cause allergy. Now the allergens might be differing from one person to another because for one person the substance which is allergic might be totally harmless for another person. So allergen for one person can be totally harmless substance for another person. Suppose I am having allergy from drinking milk, but a lot of people can drink milk because milk is very healthy for their body. So we can see that allergens are normally harmless substance, but some people are showing hypersensitive reaction of the immune system against those substances. The top 9 food allergies include the milk, the egg, the soybean or any other derivative of the soy, right, soy sauce, sesame seeds, wheat, nuts, peanuts, fish, normally the seafood, and shellfish. Now, apart from the food allergens, other allergy factors are also present. The picture is of the right hand side picture is of a very magnified picture of the dust mites. These are the mites or these are the things that are present in the home dust. That is the dust that is present in our furnitures, in our beds, in our blankets, etc. And that dust is a very potent allergen for some people. Other allergens include the latex, that is the rubber gloves that some people might have to use who are associated with medical profession, for example. Then milk, animals, like some people cannot withstand the fur of cat or dog. They are allergic to them. Citrus fruits, honey, even some people are allergic to medicines like penicillin or some antibiotics, aspirin, etc. Some people might also be allergic to a particular type of vaccine. And for those people, they need to always know which vaccines they are allergic to. Egg is also a potent allergen for some people. The seafood, molds, cereals, nuts, insect bites, some chemicals, dust and pollen grains are the other allergens that can cause allergy in different people. Now we will see how the allergens, when entering into the body, cause the hypersensitivity or excessive reaction of the immune system. So this is the pathway by which the allergens are improperly activating the immune system. So we will follow the course of the picture. First we have an allergen, which is the pollen grain. Now it enters into the body through the nose or through mouth through inhalation process. Now the body has been exposed to the allergen because the allergen has entered into the body. Now when the allergen enters into the body, there are some cells of the immune system which are called the B cells. Now B cells have some structures on their surface that can bind that allergen. So the receptors on the B cell have bound the allergen. Now, since the allergens have been bound to the receptors present on the surface of the B cell, that will activate other kind of cell of the immune system, which is called the plasma cell. Now, upon activation, the plasma cells will release some protein which are called the immunoglobulins. Now, immunoglobulins will bind the allergen as well. So, when the immunoglobulins bind the allergen, after that they will bind another cell of the immune system, which is also a type of white blood cell, and particular name is the mast cell. Now, upon binding of the immunoglobulin with the allergen and then with the mast cell will release a particular type of chemical which is called histamine, which is present inside the mast cell. Now this histamine will initiate the improper activation of the immune system and the allergic reaction, like the runny nose or the rashes on the skin or some other symptoms that is manifested in different person. Now we will discuss about the entry routes of allergy, that is through the routes which the allergens enter into our body. There are three types of routes or routes of exposure. First one, through the nose, which is through inhalation process, then through mouth, which is through the ingestion process, and through skin absorption or exposure to the skin. So the skin absorption includes the latex allergy, cloth allergy, insect bite allergy, etc. The mouth includes, or ingestion process include, any type of food allergy. So cow's milk, soy, eggs, wheat, peanuts, seafood, etc. And the nose allergy includes the inhalation, that is like the pollen grains, the spores, dusts, the pollutants, the chemicals, etc. And they trigger reactions like sneezing, runny nose, coughing, etc. In this slide, we are going to look at the symptoms of the airborne allergy, or the allergies that are entering through the inhalation process. So it is entering through inhalation and the nose and the respiratory tract of our body, and it is increasing the production of mucus, and also shortness of breath is also manifested. Other allergy symptoms of airborne allergy are the sneezing or continuous sneezing, runny nose, stuffy nose and very heavy head or heaviness in head, itchy red or watery eyes, itchy nose, mouth or throat, post-nasal drip, cough, etc. Now we will see that if a person is having food allergy from some particular food, what will be the symptoms or what will be the possible symptoms that he might get. So these symptoms are also common for allergies caused by insect bites or medicines like aspirin or penicillin. The symptoms will be, first one is eczema, that is appearance of red itchy spots on the skin, itchy mouth, swelling of the face, and also the swelling of the tongue, swelling of the lips, feeling of nausea or vomiting, feeling of abdominal pain, trouble breathing, dizziness, and also diarrhea.